Get the oldest geocache in Nevada, I said. It won't take that long. It's on the way home, I said. I was a tad worried when I looked at the satellite images. It looked like a long, muddy stone road. But we'll be fine. It's the oldest cache in Nevada. We gotta get it. And then the road goes from this to this. And down this, we must go for another 16 minutes. So what we're going to do is pop out of our van and into Read My Lips pickup truck, which has a lot more clearance. On second thought, I'm looking at the satellite image and what I can tell with what signal I have, I don't even think shows. And I think this is just the attempt of the GPS to get us closest it can to that point over there where the geocache is. But we think we need to go 6 kilometers further up, and then there's a road that triangulates back to the geocache. So we're going to try that first before we try going across country. And this is as far as we can go on the road. The map said to turn left and then hang a right, but there's not much of a road. There is a bit of a trail right here, and the cache is only 150 meters away, so we just walk, make a nice little walk, and get the cache.
Yeah.
Well, we did need a walk today, so there you go. And it looks like a nice place to go. Nice rocky formation.
Somebody found ours.
That bunny sort of... Yeah, it's not like totally running away. Or he's going... Oh, boy.
Less than 10.
Would this be a bigger, like, you know...
Well, it says not chosen. It's a 2-3. And I got it over here.
Yeah, I'm going out there.
Drum roll?
No. Oh, wait. No. Thought maybe it was a fake rock. There's a stick up here. Nope.
There?
No. No? Well, animal smelly. When was the last time it was found?
Today?
Yeah.
Really?
It was what? Oh, no, sorry. The 19th of January.
Oh. 19th of January, last found. No hint.
Is this closer than where we were over there? No.
Mostly 2, but maybe a 4 when you get close. Use common sense. Yeah, okay. Hint. Once you've narrowed down the search area, take a minute and study the location from the road. Think about where you'd hide a cache. You'd probably come to the same decision I did. Yeah, we think it might be up on top on the plateau.
Nice camper picture.
Okay. What do we got?
Here, Judy.
On a rock out there.
Yep. 4 meters.
Oh, where's your juice?
3 meters.
Here it is.
He got it.
Got it?
Ah, we got it. Here it is. It looks like a thermos container.
Is it metallic?
No.
No, it's plastic.
Oh, it's a
Thermos.
Oh,
Da-da-da.
plastic thermos. Bada bing, bada boom. Nevada's oldest geocache. Open her up.
Okay.
So we were right, it was up here because the 5 meters from down there, and he just kept pushing up on the top.
Okay, it's kind of cool to see
Yeah.
about like the little pot.
Got a great place to sit right there in the hole.
That was like that one that we climbed all those stairs for. Remember? We had climbed the stairs and we were looking and looking.
Oh, that
Oh,
multi and
Yeah.
a BT. Well, there we go.
What an awesome spot.
December 26th, 2000. Right there.
It's awesome.
Very good.
Sign can for this.
Well, no, not a short form for this one. We want our names on there. It took forever to get here, and hopefully we can get out of here before dark. And we've discovered, well,
Before I run out of fuel.
Mrs. Reed, my lips, discovered we were just driving along on this dusty roads. It's part of the ET highway. So we've been driving past hundreds of caches.
Literally.
Yeah, and we just don't have time to get them.
Out here.
Yeah, so we know where we're coming back to someday.
So we could plan a trip to come back.
So from up here, if you look down, it's like a 4 terrain, as the description says. But if you walk down this way, what we're on is a 2 terrain. So
Yeah.
there you go. Oldest in Nevada. Found. Great adventure that was, getting the oldest in the state.
Gotta love the oldies.
Yep. And how many do we have of the oldest?
Oh, a whole bunch.
Yeah, 29. We have 29 of the oldest caches in the States.
Wow.
That's
We
pretty
gotta keep
cool.
going.
Yep.
We're halfway there.
Mhm.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?